Uh, what is up, everybody? It's Seatson or whatever it is. I don't know, but I'm here to show you guys some things. This right here, this is a copy of not a copy. Excuse me, I made this. This isn't a copy, but this is like me trying to copy a RuneScape system where hopefully it doesn't fucking break when I start it, but hopefully you cut the tree, you go to shop, you go to sell, you go to wood, you check your inventory, you got gold, you go to shop, you go to buy. You could put you put iron axe, and then since I have an iron axe, it goes even higher. You could start doing more stuff. You could go to gold. It's like an increment cookie clicker type beat mm, with RuneScape stuff involved. You go here, you go sell. You can level your skills. You go sell. You go wood. Whoa. You go inventory. Check inventory. Iron axe. Buy another iron axe. Oh, shit. You go here, you go here, you go here, you go here. Two iron axes, and this should give me like three. It should increment by three now, right? Super cool, super cool, super cool stuff from my end. But yeah, it's uh, it's like a RuneScape system. Hopefully, I don't know how to make graphical stuff yet. I really fucking don't. And it's incredible the stuff people can do when they program. It's like legitimately mind blowing. But I think I'm gonna use Godot if I have to, or use like a game engine, not make one from scratch because I don't know if I'm there yet, but you know, this is pretty cool. And what I want to implement next, first of all, I gotta fucking make this look a little bit better because I have no idea what's going on. Even when I look at this, it's a mess. It's a hot diggity mess. That's what it is. But yeah. So goodness gracious. You see, even I'm lost in my code. Also, this also doesn't have its brackets. Probably that's why. Probably that's why. Uh, Doesn't have its little brackets. That's what's confusing me. Did it have it? No, did it? Now it does. There you see how it's a little bit of a mess. Let me clear that up. Let me put this here. So took me a while. I've been really just experimenting with a lot of stuff, learning things. Yesterday I learned about references and pointers, and that is quite the doozy. Quite the doozy. And I haven't found a use case for them yet, at least for now. If somebody watches this video and you know a little bit more, way more, please tell me how I could use it in this type of code. I don't know how I could use that. And I haven't really looked into optimizing yet. I don't know why I don't know if this is always running. But yeah, this is my code. First, like in my head, I'm trying to see like I know that RuneScape has a lot of different systems, and in those systems, there's like a lot of different stuff you could do. Monsters to fight, quests to do just to even increase it. The hard part is like it's harder to visualize it because it's I guess it's just you go here, you go here. Oh shit, you go here, you go here, you go here, you go here. It's harder to visualize it because it's um command line interface. I guess that's what it's called. CLI. It's like it's more CLI and doesn't have a lot of graphics. I don't know what I'm saying. They correct me if I'm wrong, right? But it's uh it's cool. It's a CLI type beat. So, yeah, there's not really much to say because I have to take this a step at a time, legitimately a step at a time, or else I'm gonna lose the flow completely. That's why I'm focusing a lot on this mechanics. And I think I've noticed something I think I really, really need to start commenting things out. That's what I need to do for sure. Inventory, right? Let's just put shop. And maybe I can make these into the functions. So if a user input makes it, it could make it nicer. So I was thinking about doing that because I'm gonna have to refactor soon because this is a fucking mess, guys. Just look at this. I can't, like, even myself, I get lost into this. Like, what is going on? I can't tell when the shop ends. So the shop is all of this. This is all the shop. This is all the shop. All of this, right? Come here, let me get buy and just so I could see it and then sell, right? So this is just for me. I know it's a bad comment. It's not literal buy, so just to see what's going on. But yeah, that's a mess. And what I really want to do next is after I focus on like the tree cutting mechanic and figuring out how to level your user up, figuring out how to put these things in, what the fuck was it called? Factors? No, front end functions. and functions. Then I want to focus on, like a monster, like how in RuneScape you walk around, there's like fucking monsters everywhere. And that's how you increase your combat skill. That's how you level your skills in regards to combat and all that stuff. That's what I want to do. And then we'll figure that out. But first I gotta refract. I think that's the word, refract. I gotta make this look more organized. This is a fucking mess, dude. It's a fucking mess. Just in this do statement alone, it's a whole mess, dude. And I don't even know if I'm supposed to use a do statement either. That's what I don't know. I don't know how people do it. And I'm just going along with the flow. It's been working for now. I mean, you can see it yourself. If you don't want to play the game anymore, you could just do this. Done. It works how I want it to work. I don't know if it's the best, but it legitimately fucking works how I want it to work. So I go here, I go here, I go here, and I go here. Boom. It fucking works, and that's cool. But is it the best? You get what I'm saying? But right now, instead of focusing on what's the best, I just have to make it work. That's it. Even if it's cook like fucking caca, right? Even if it's like fucking shum together with tape, it fucking works. So yeah, that's what I've been working on, guys. I don't know what the purpose of this channel, but what I really want to do is at least have something where I could look back and see my improvements. And I could already tell from the first video, I was making a fucking add integer function, and now I didn't. This is this is what I'm doing, and it's cool. It's cool because I'm actually properly using do while loops, for loops. I haven't used a while loop yet, but I don't really need that right now. I don't know what I would need that for, but I'm improving a lot and figuring out how things work. It's a small game. I would love to like add at least, something that I could see, right? Because I could open this and I fucking see it. It's so cool, right? But it's kind of underwhelming when you just see a text and it doesn't look hello. Okay, there we go. It doesn't look it doesn't look I don't know. It's just like I like it. I like what I'm doing, but I really love to add graphics to this. I think it would be quite different. So I'm having a lot of fun. And, if you guys watch this, thank you. This is for archival purposes. This channel is just for me to just talk about things and see how far I've gotten in this journey. So, see ya. Bye.